Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today we are gonna be doing this design to get this effect here. So it is called the transparent outline text, and we're going to be doing this on Canva. Baby, this here can change your designing game. Like for real, you can do this on a lot of designs, and people love the unique effects when they see it. So if you want to see how I got this done on Canva, keep on watching because I'm gonna be sharing that with you real quick. Let's get into my Canva designing space. Hello, welcome, 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 welcome. So I will be showing you guys how you can create a transparent outline text on Canva. And so I have this opened up, so I am ready to start designing. So how I got to this page here, I went to the home page and I just grabbed the t-shirts, create t-shirts, and I click on create t-shirts. Is the 14 by 18 inches. So after doing that, I got this. So I just clicked on the background. It was white, of course, you guys know, and I just switched it to black because it's gonna be on a black shirt. So I just want to see it so I just want to see the design on a black to see how it's gonna look like on a black shirt. So the picture, it what I'm gonna be designing today, it's gonna be a graduation design for my nephew. So it's going to be like a family um graduation shirt. So I am gonna go ahead and click on upload, and I'm gonna click on this picture, and that is him. He's a big boy. Oh my gosh. So now I am going to go ahead and just put in the text real quick that I need to put on this. I'm not messing with the picture. I'm not going to take out the background. They want the background, so we're going to leave it. So let's just put this as, let's say, mother of the, and of course it's going to be on a black shirt, so this is going to be a white text message. So I just want to talk about this purple or pink line that you can see across the, you can see that across the page. That just tells me that that is centered. So when you see that line, you should know that your text or your graphic image or whatever is centered. So I'm just gonna go here and change the color so we can see what we got. So mother of the, and I'm gonna come back here and pick, come on here, text, and click on add a header or heading, sorry. So it's gonna be graduate. I'm gonna pull it this down, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the font style to impact because impact just makes it looks good. And I'm gonna increase this just a little bit. There we go. And I'm gonna come here and change this as well to impact. And I'm gonna increase this as well. Mother of the. So you can see the pink line is telling me it's centered. And I'm gonna make sure these ones are centered as well. Excuse me. I had a cold. So this one is centered. And make sure this one is centered. Oopsie. Not that one. So if I have the dash 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 like the break, the lines that are like broken, that tells me it's centered with the graphic and not the background. So you can see this is centered, so that is good. But I do not want this G in this image, so I'm gonna drag, move the G away. Looks good. I just want I just want the G and the E to be outside the picture. So I'm gonna go ahead and
trying to make sure the T is in the picture as well. So I'm just going to reduce this. There we go. So I'm going to pull this down a little bit. And this is what I want. All right. So what I am going to do now, this is where you may want to pay attention, because now I just got all the graphic and the text is where I want them to be. So this is where you're going to um make it look more unique. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna duplicate this picture and make sure I put the picture, center the picture to the, you know, to the picture behind. Make sure it is exactly the way the one at the back is. So that tells me it is centered to the picture behind. And I'm gonna come here as well, and I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one as well. And I am gonna go ahead and center that one to the graduate itself as well. You can see it shows me centered with the broken lines. All right, so I am gonna on work with this text at the top. So I'm gonna go to effects, and I'm gonna go to this style. I'm gonna go to hollow, and boom. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the thickness so it's not looking bad, so it can look real good. So you can reduce this as much as you want, or just play with it. So for me, this looks just perfect. So boom. And if you want to change the text color, you can change the text color, but it's gonna affect, remember, it's gonna affect the G and the E outside. So boom. So if this shirt was a different color, let's assume it was gray, you can see how it is. But it's not really giving me the effects. So you want to make sure you want to use the same color as the text to get that effect that we want. So I'm gonna go back here and put it black, and I'm gonna go back here and change it white. So basically you want to make sure that the text, your transparent text, is the same color as the original text. Does that make any sense? All right. So this is how to create a transparent outline text on Canva, and this can definitely boost your graphic to look good. It just makes your design to pop real good. So you guys let me know what you think. At this point, I believe I deserve a thumbs up. But I'm gonna share for those of you that don't really understand how Canva works. You go to share here, you click on download, and you go to transparent background because you want it to be in transparent background. And if you want to make your quality really high, you can increase this all the way, and you just make sure you have the image that you want. So I'm going to click on current page, which is page 4. I'm click OK, and I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to show you this how it look like. So I'm going to go to there we go, that is it here. I'm going to click on it, and that is it. That's how you can create a transparent outline text on Canva. So I hope this was helpful. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a video, because over here we do all things crafting. I help you guys with trendy designs that is going to help you boost your store, and you don't want to miss out on that. So go ahead and give me thumbs up if you like this design. If you know you're gonna add this to your store, let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. And for those of you that want me to help you do this, you don't want to lift your fingers to do nothing, I have a digital store where I sell designs, so you will find this design in my digital store, so go check it out. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. All right, bye bye.